it's me, Belinda, my favorite cousin, Donnie.
Of course, me, Daniela.
And right now we're gonna, we got slime here that we're gonna play. We're gonna switch
Wait,
after.
This is our slimes. Butter, jiggly, butter.
Yeah, so we do this one. First we're gonna take out our ocean one. She forgot. It kind of throws out beads, mine, but I still love it. This is my ocean. It's so jiggly.
When I drop it.
Yeah. It's so jiggly. Mine is way jiggly than yours is.
No,
Mine is.
I
Mine
can't
is
really
so
do.
jiggly.
Mine
But
can't
like-
do that. or
But
else
like the beads doesn't get out, but yours does.
because mine is so jiggly. Yours doesn't have glitter. I didn't add glitter to this one because
She didn't want to waste it.
yes.
Now next one. Okay, our butter one.
Give me my container.
Mine came out so hard.
Mine came out so stretchy.
Okay.
The cameraman. The camera girl.
Look, now
Laughing.
so crunchy.
Mine
I
is
still like it. It's
what?
beautiful.
looks like mustard
I
to
want
me. Here's mine. So stretchy.
Okay, now
Look like
let's
you're in love with
switch.
this. I'm like, so stretched.
Who made a heart? Who did this? I need more water. It's dry. That's why. I know why.
She's getting more.
Now it's better.
Whoa.
Should I add water to mine?
Yeah.
The water's spilling.
I don't recommend doing that. That is why I don't recommend doing that.
Oh, mine's so.
A mess.
Why am I laughing so hard? Sorry, our friend is
You can
really
see the-
crazy in the background. You know. Mine right now looks like a octopus.
Like you.
Wow. Say the one with the bun.
What?
I don't know, I just said that.
Octopuses don't wear buns.
Okay, so let's put that on.
No, I
Thanks, I'm
can't. I
disappointment.
can't really. I can't really.
Thanks, I'm
We're not playing.
What?
Your water turned yellow.
Yeah, it
looks
looks
like
like glitter.
Okay.
Okay, so here's the
For that white slime,
slime.
I'm gonna come.
Put mine in
I'm
there.
gonna get this sorted.
Camera girl,
This is for
come
the-
back.
This is for the white slime.
Oh, thank you.
I'll add the color because I like getting my hand stained.
Oh, wait, what? The only colors is yellow and.
Oh.
Give me my slime.
Damn.
I'm gonna add more color to this one.
I'm gonna add blue. No.
there's not even any blue.
Can you give me yellow and green?
Yellow and green. This one, I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna add one.
I guess I'll
There's
do
only yellow and green that have
No,
color.
let me see. Let me add
Okay.
No, I'm adding.
There's
mine.
no red in the
Let me
red
see.
one.
What do you want?
Um,
What colors?
yellow.
Yellow and red?
No, there's no red. What do you mean? There's only.
Yes, there is. There's a little bit.
We tried to add in.
Oh, no, light.
Oh, light? Okay. Wait, I'll mix it. I like staining my
I'm gonna play
hands.
with
I feel like it shows you're like
I'm gonna
tripod.
try to fix your.
But then it shows that you're very dirty, so.
You here?
Yes, I hear. So we're making this one a light yellow
Lights. Told you.
with a sprinkle of red. Sprinkle.
Wait, what?
So
I'm gonna go put that on.
I thought I
fall. I was like, oh,
This is like,
I don't want a mustard.
it's not gonna be mustard.
Like mine. You don't like
You know the light is mustard, you know that? Dark is not mustard. I think. Comment down below if you know the answer to that.
I don't want my oh my god. Why are you
that?
scared? Water dripping on you. I want
Do you want a little bit of green to add an
No.
apple? Okay.
to be light green?
Guys, I'm their maid.
Yeah, she is our maid. So she has to follow our rules. We're rich, she's poor. If she doesn't listen, we will tell our mom we're gonna
Get my
we
family
don't want to
fired.
really be in a mansion, so we're there's neighbors. Annoying neighbors and a black girl, because she writes on people's sheet and
didn't call me that.
and the car. Okay, sorry. for
So
that.
this
Our
is-
car and it's
This is the yellow
lot of
slime. So let's add all the colors so it could be like a rainbow, Timo. Okay. Here.
Thank you for my slime.
You're welcome. Hey guys, should we do a what I got for Christmas?
What?
Should we do a what I got for Christmas?
Yeah.
Bye. Sorry for that silence.
Why are you still recording?
Because I'm zooming into your face.